Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2009 Nissan Murano. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the ignition, then open the glove box and release the stops to access the filter housing. Remove the old filter carefully to avoid debris, inspect the housing, and install the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing inward. Reassemble the glove box and test the fan to confirm proper airflow and fit. Before you begin, gather your tools and replacement filter so the process is smooth and quick. A flat screwdriver and flashlight make accessing and removing the glove box stops much easier, and gloves keep the new filter clean. Double-check the filter part number or dimensions to avoid returns, and have a small container ready for screws or clips. Working organized saves time and avoids frustration during reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which gives you crisp audio and voice control while you work on projects. It's a handy companion in the garage or kitchen for timers and music. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically to avoid losing clips or damaging the glove box. Release the stops, lower the glove box fully, and remove the housing cover while watching for trapped debris. Slide out the old filter slowly to avoid scattering leaves or dust, then install the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing inward toward the cabin. Replace the cover, snap the glove box stops back in place, and test the blower at different fan speeds to ensure proper airflow restoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.